What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech. Today we're going to take a look at a 24mm band from Suunto. This will work on my Suunto 7, but it might work on your device as well because it works with a bunch of other devices, so check my video link description if you want to see if it's compatible. But at $61, this is the most expensive silicone band that I've ever purchased, but summertime's around the corner and I do like a white band for summer, so I wanted to pick it up and I just wanted to show you guys what you get for $61. They have a bunch of different bands available. They actually make some really cool looking bands. This one is the Spartan Sport, and what that basically means is you get these air vents, sort of like the Nike edition bands. I like the Spartan series because you do have these holes and it just gives your arm a little bit more ventilation if you are working out or you're in the summer heat. So the Spartan series for me is a much better looking band. I actually like this. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. But what I also like about Suunto, and they do charge $61, but they are giving you two bands in one if you think about it. They give you a small and a medium. There is no large, but really the medium will probably fit just about most people. And what I like about it is if you do have a smaller wrist, if you don't want to have a huge amount of extra slack on your watch band, this is a great way to go because you do have the small or the medium option. This is a quick release type of band, so it's super easy to take it out. This is the original band that it comes with, and I believe you can buy this one too if you like it. That's the black and the lime green. So it's really easy to install. Just go ahead, line up the pins, and press this down a little bit. It'll snap right into place. Line up the other side, and there we go. And this is what it looks like, guys. I really like the Spartan series. I think they did a nice job. I like the fact that you have this little nub right in there, so it really keeps the slack tightly secured to the watch band. I am poking a bit of fun at $61 because I think it's definitely way overpriced, but it is a quality band. It's not a cheap band at all. And this is what it looks like on the wrist. I think it looks quite nice, especially for summertime. Just take a look at that. You do get a little Suunto logo right on the buckle. The buckle itself is very premium. I like the way that feels and I like the way it looks. I also like that you have the extra security. So with these little nubs here, it really keeps the watch band in place and you're not really going to worry about this coming undone. I think that's an excellent choice, especially if you are doing a lot of activity with this. If you're doing a Spartan race, if you're doing triathlon, whatever you're doing with your Suunto, it's good to make sure that your watch band stays on. And the strap here feels very secure, very nice, very soft. At $61, they checked all the right boxes, except for the price. It's a very attractive band in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. But you do have to pay to play these days, and if you want a nice original accessory, this is what you have to pay to get that. So I think the small or the medium is really going to fit everyone's wrist. It depends if you like a lot of slack or if you don't. I think the small actually fits my wrist a little bit better than the large one, but I do think they did a nice job. It's a very premium feeling watch band, so it feels really nice. It's a smooth silicone. They did a nice job with the buckle. They did a nice job overall with the watch band. But let me know what you guys think about the Suunto 7 White Spartan Series watch band. I think it looks really cool, and this is going to be my band for the summer. I think this is an awesome accessory. If you really love your watch, dress it up with some different bands. That also plays a little mind trick on you where you think you got a new watch when you swap out the band. But I really appreciate you guys watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.